This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Holly West. Beautiful canal front custom home built by Walt Construction. Open floor plan with a spacious first floor living room with built-in custom cabinets, newly remodeled kitchen with natural cherry cabinets, double oven, granite countertop, eat-in area, bar. Large dining room, office with custom cabinets, guest room with full bath. Master bedroom has a stunning new remodeled master bath with marble shower, flooring and fixtures. Relax and enjoy looking through the abundance of windows on the main floor with a wealth of natural sunlight, as well as enjoying the sunroom. You won't get tired of the lovely water views, boating, kayaking, etc. that you and your family will have for years to come. Upstairs there are 2 spacious bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. An additional room you can use for a den or family room with full bath, large cedar closet and tons of additional storage. Let's not forget the large game room with a stunning pool table over the 2-car garage. If you have been looking for a Southern Shores home that is ready for you, look no further. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly West at 252-489-7778.